Hi and welcome to Bikerheadz. My name is Ed Miles and this is the new 2019 Rukka Markham Jacket. So Rukka Markham Jacket. Really excited by this product. It's about time Rukka got really into that retro, casual but high quality leather jacket range. So strange for Rukka, this isn't a waterproof product, so no Gore-Tex in this one, but we are looking at a beautiful retro leather jacket. So this is the sort of thing you're going to be riding on when you're going out the weekends on your R9T, if you're commuting down in your Navala suit on your GS1200, and you go out on the weekends, you want a quick ride down the cafe to a bike meet, you want to wear something cool, casual, that looks amazing on those type of retro bikes, and this is what you're going to be wearing, the beautiful Rukka Markham Jacket. So, brown and black, two colourways. The brown one I'm wearing, obviously a bit more retro, the black one a bit more neo-retro in my opinion. It's a lovely flat black leather, very high quality, high grade leather hide. They've really spent the money on this one, on the quality of leather, quality of stitching, that side of things. It's a very simple jacket, but the materials are beautiful. So let's go through a few of the materials. So, beautiful cowhide all the way through. So as you can see, big panels of it as well, which is more expensive, it gives you a better level of protection. High grade Ykk zipper down the front, double press stud around the neck, so you've got the adjustment around the neck. If I bring it around to the side here, again, metal Ykk zippers, absolutely no expense spared on the quality of these products. All these components are going to last you forever, absolutely beautiful. Come around the side, bit of quilting around the top to give you a little more flex in that area, so it's a bit more comfortable when you're riding. And again, you've got the same thing down the bottom of the arm. While on the arms, you've got D3R elbows and shoulder, as you'd expect from a Rukka product. Come around to the back, stretch panels on the arm area again, so when you're coming around, it's nice and easy to move around on the bike. So think about practicalities as well as style with this. Embossed Rukka logo down the back, and one enormous piece of leather down the back as well. So you're really going to get that level of protection. No stitching areas, no weak points, big full pieces of cowhide down the back. Swing it back around to the front. As you see, nice silver stripe on the black version. It's a brown stripe on the brown version. Silver zippers on the black version, and then you've got the sort of more brass finish on the brown version. So a couple of little differences there. If I open it up, down the front, got a piece of leather in behind zip, again to protect you in case you fall off that will get hot, that metal zip, and the leather protects you. Also gives you a windproof area behind the zip, so no wind's coming through that, and even if it does get a bit chilly. Inside, as you can see, you've got wickable material on the inside to help remove some of the moisture from the inside of the jacket. Pocket on that side, and on this side you've got this lovely leather pocket on the side here with a nice label in there, giving you that retro touch, retro feel. So as you can see, the Rukka Markham Jacket is a very simple, very basic, but exceptionally high quality, fashionable garment from Rukka for those summer days. For any more information on these two jackets, please go to bikerheadz.com and like and subscribe below.